Okay, guys, good morning. Hope you're all doing well. I just wanted to go over the DAO alert that I put in to the Discord room on the 10th of October so you can see what my thought process was. Just a quick video to give you a little bit of guidance as to why I was looking for the long, even though the market was inching lower and probably you were only looking for shorts on a textbook basis, right? So I marked out where the red and the yellow pivots were when I sent the alert. So here you can see that the overnight price action, we'd been pushing lower. We found some resistance at the trigger line, at red pivot, etc. The BMIs were starting to go red as well. So we were looking initially at shorts. And I think there was a post for an aggressive short that was, I think, somewhere in here in the Discord room. So some of you may have taken that trade as well. But the alert I sent through was a long alert, and this I'm going to break it down so you can see exactly what I was thinking and what I was looking for. Right. So we all know that the bindalFX yellow pivot is a great tool, and it's a really good support resistance zone, and actually get some wonderful trades off it. And that was the whole basis of what I was looking at. Right. So if we inch along here, you can see that we did initially break through yellow pivot, right? So some of you may have been short in here that was alerted to you in the Discord room by someone else earlier on. And if you had, you would have banked in quite nicely on that, right? But then you can see what happened. We had a break below yellow, but then we had a really big impulse move up, right? A really big sharp 5 minute candle followed by another sharp 5 minute candle that was basically made this a little bit of a fake out underneath yellow pivot, right? It still wasn't a textbook long, but you can see in here that this is what we were looking at: lower low, lower low, right? So then what I posted in Discord is here. So you can see here, it was on this candle here that I posted. So my post is as follows: yellow is crucial here. Failure will give add-in opportunities for anyone short. But if we reclaim 1, 2, 3 above yellow and 1 minute trigger, then I think we'll rip higher into the close. The next 30 or 60 minutes will be important on direction. So it was on this candle that I put that alert in, and you can see a short while later that we got a nice pullback right into yellow pivot and into the 1 minute trigger. And I'll switch over to the 1 minute in a second. You can see here, so we broke above. This is around about this time is when I put the post in. Then we got the pullback. This is the 1 minute trigger. Nice 1, 2, 3. Of course, it was aggressive. There's not a 60% pullback or anything like that. But you had the nice consolidation at the 1 minute trigger. And I talk about this quite a lot, that, you know, we need to have that nice consolidation, whether it's 1 minute, 5 minute, whatever it may be. And then this is where your entry point was. Yep. So entry in here and stop just down here. So you're looking at 16, call it 20 when you factor in spreads and whatever, right? So call it 20 pip stop in there. You had two BMIs green that you can see below. You had nice established support now at yellow. We had this fake out, push back up, pull back right into yellow, consolidates then above the 1 minute trigger, entry in here, 20 pip stop loss, and we move 80 pips higher. So if you're targeting a 3 to 1, that's an easily banked 3 to 1. Yeah. Which goes to show that if you can practice patience, you know what you're looking for, and you look at it calmly and wait for the right entry point. You don't, I mean, this was not the biggest price swing of the day by any means, but it was, you know, if you're looking for one trade a day at 3R, something like that, this hit your box. Even if you're looking at one trade a week at 3R, boom, you know, done. And you're done and you're finished, and it's worked out nicely. Yeah. Cool. So I hope that, guys, helps you with regards to my thought process and what I was looking for. It's all centered around the bindalFX yellow pivot. And you can see that we had that nice little fake out in here, push back up. There's the higher low. So it broke support, reclaimed support, established there, consolidated, and then we pushed higher. Yeah. Hope that helps. Any questions, as always, please do send me a message. Otherwise, have a great day. Speak to you soon.